We are presenting our project presentation named Prabhavi Upyog, Cost-Effective Car Parking Solution. Under the mentorship of Professor Avinash Kumar Sharma sir, my name is Tushar Goyal.
My name is Shivanshu Vishnoy.
And I'm going to give a presentation on the topic of cost-effective parking solution. So basically, our problem is we are addressing the problems of the patients who are facing the problems in parking the car. So basically, they normally find problems in looking for a parking space, and there is a parking area with a limited space. So we are making an now technological solution for this, so that we can find out because if a vehicle enters, the system should be able to calculate the space requirement for the parking and put it in a location to get the optimal space usage. Okay. And our ideal approach is a grid system. So we're comparing this grid system from the parking lot. So we'll be comparing this grid system as the parking lot. So whenever a car enters the parking lot, the track width of the car will be captured by the camera by the help of image processing, and then the required space will be allotted to that car in a particular area. So this grid system is divided into 4 sections. The upper bound is considered as the length of the grid, and the free space in a grid is as a block. So primary grids are 1, 2, 3, 4. They are the sections, and the secondary grids are 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D. They are created at the space permits. Next is our problem formulation. So the problem formulation, there are some terminologies which we are using, like burst fit, stack push allotment, and image processing. Burst fit is the concept of minimizing the fragmentation of the leftover space to allocate in a maximum block size. And stack push allotment is a vehicle. The vehicle allotted will be parked in such a way that it will follow a stack push, which means the vehicle will be allotted from one extreme end to the other extreme end. So vehicle will have the tendencies to exit from any point. And the third one is image processing. Like whenever a car or a vehicle enters the parking lot, its track width will be captured from the camera, and then processing the data by splitting it into training and testing set, and finally fit it accordingly. Then it will tell that where it should be allotted in that area. So we are using the data set. Here we are using different types of categories of cars. This is the data we are using different types of car. Like it can be SUV, sedan, and they have particular track widths. So so this whole data set we have stored in our database, and with the help of it, it will match the car from the data set while calculating its data track width. So next is our final dashboard. Okay, now the accuracy of this is our accuracy of the model. Okay, and then the dashboard. Okay, this is our final dashboard. The first is occupied versus free. The next is entry. This is the whole front end of our model. This is the final dashboard of our model. This is entry versus exit, and occupied versus free. And the last one is the database. Here, okay. So this is the database. This whole database will be having while we are processing this whole project. So whenever a vehicle enters, that track width will be calculated, and then it will match with our database. That what is there any track width of this car is in our database, and then accordingly it will allocate the space to that car. Okay.
We have created 2 models of CNN. First is a car compile model, in which there is a Python library used such as OpenCVs and Keras. Here, height and width is detected by capturing the image by the USB camera of the car. The training data set is used to train the network, and it gives output in the form of epoch, starting from epoch 30, we have assumed epoch is equals 30, and starting from epoch 1 to 30, it has the different epochs. It gives the output of different epochs, such as at the end of the epoch 30, it gives the output accuracy of 0.8000 as shown. There is a model, model 1.h5, which detects or which predicts the categories of the car as shown. It is a car fit model where the libraries are used NumPy and CV2, and this is used. And in the car fit model, there are libraries used, and in this testing, dataset images are used for predict the class of the vehicle, and as predicted in the code, and to park the vehicle in the exact block. The first fit algorithm operating system is used. The algorithm works taking the concept of minimizing fragmentation or leftover space to allocate the vehicle in maximum block size. According to our idea of approach, which we have assumed that there are number of grids containing number of sections, and those sections contain the block size, and the block size is equal to the track width of the vehicle in the parking lot. Here, the variables taken in the form of array is allocation variable, and the block size and the track width also taken in the form of array. Now coming to the output part, if the track width that is calculated and is stored in a database, if the track width matches to the block size, then the vehicle will be allocated in the block size, else it will not be allocated. We have assumed block size and track width, and further after compiling this code, it gives the output as car number, different cars in the section. Car size is equal to the track width of the car and the block number that in which blocks the vehicle is parked or allocated. This is our dashboard as Prabhavi Upyog dashboard, which is used to keep record of each and every operations in a parking area. The first image shows the how much blocks in a grid or section are occupied versus free. As there are 130 blocks are free and 230 blocks are occupied according to the real-time data for all and everything. 330 vehicles recurred and new are the 30 vehicles. And another one is the grid section where 260 vehicle exist and 100 vehicle entered. Coming to the grid stats, grid 1 consists of 100 vehicles, grid 2 contains of 58 vehicles, grid 3 contains of 40 vehicles, and grid 4 contains of 7 vehicles. According to the idea of approach, we have taken 4 grids and its stats is represented as. There are the 5 categories of the car in the dataset as told, and the track width of different categories of the car. Grids and space left. It is the grid according to the approach, and the space left after parking the vehicle in the parking area. This is the update inventory as database, which represents the grid allotted of every grid, car name, category of a car, date that on which date the car is parked, and on which and how much space is left after parking that car in a maximum block size. This is the video of animated video of cost-effective car parking solution. First of all, calculating the track width of the car using camera with the help of the image processing algorithms. track width of the car is calculated. Further calculations will be made on the basis of the track width, grid size, and block size by using the expression space left, taking the track width and calculating the space left in the grid. Finally, most appropriate place is allocated to the vehicle. This is the sample layout. Now, our research paper named as Prabhavi Upyog Cost-Effective Car Parking Solution. The paper focuses on the implementation of an optimized cost-effective car parking solution for smart cities where car will be parked and guided on place or a block where it is best suited, and the parking area is fully optimized with the minimum quanta of fragmentation or leftover space. Introduction part: a cost-effective park solution to address the problem faced by the parking system. This is the limited area with limited space. Objective: introducing the automatic vehicle parking system for hospitals and get benefit by it. Problem formulation consists of image processing, stack push allotment, grid systems, database, and there is a concept of neural network and the convolutional neural network. The algorithm is used as image processing, convolutions, back propagation, worst fit algorithm. Experimentation and result sets are as which is accuracy of 0.8000 epochs. Now coming towards the research paper publication. Our research paper is published in ICCR 2020 International Conference of Elsewhere SSRM. And we have presented our presentation in Punjab Institute of Technology, Rajpura on 25th January 2020. Conclusion: the process of implementing the complete system starts with the capturing of the image and calculating the track width of the vehicle, and further the neural network concept CNN is used to train the network using training dataset and predict the target output for the car parking in parking lot, and the system is made optimally use the parking area and to solve the challenging problem of parking the vehicles. Lastly, I would like to thank our guide, Professor Avinash Kumar Sharma sir, for his popular support, and at last I would thank to each and every faculty of our CSE department, ABCIT, for its support. Thank you.